I just wanted to make a quick video of reinstalling a battery back into an R6. It's a bit of a pain because you have zero room. Basically, I remove the ECU, remove all the fuses from the little tabs, remove any extra wires you've added to it, and then there's your little battery box. Now I just had to remove my battery because this little tab here got folded up underneath the battery, and that was a pain. So I recommend pushing the tab down the opposite way because that holds the grommet in for this block, little power block. So I try and put this in one-handed, which I doubt I'll be able to. So that's pointed down. Okay, that tab's out of the way now. Just kind of work it back and forth, and it is. Just gonna hook it up. Rubber strap back in place, just like that, and there, battery's installed.